That's what we about. Living by the sea, sipping on some rum under the shade of a tree. That's what we about. Just feel the warm breeze, living young and wild and free. Sipping on some rum. The sun, ocean, on an island where no one can find me. The sun, ocean, and the party just begun. That's what we're about. Living by the sea, sipping on some rum under the shade of a tree. That's what we're about. Just feel the warm breeze, living young and wild and free. That's what we're about. Living by the sea, sipping on some rum under the shade of a tree. That's what we're about. Just feel the warm breeze, living young and wild and free.
Time we welcome to the birthday celebrant here on stage. Alright, a round of applause. Sugatan sa Masipang Bangka. Again, my man. Once again, give a round of applause for the birthday celebrant. Sugatan guys. Come on now. Alright. At this point in time, my man, somebody will give some message to you. And I know you don't know about this. Of course, may we call the Tres Marias, the team with you from Australia. Hey, a round of applause for the three beautiful ladies, please. Now, ma'am, what's your name?
Cara Francis Manic.
Cara Francis Manic, okay. How are you related to our birthday celebrant?
My cousin.
She's your cousin, okay. Next in line, what's your name, ma'am?
Bernadette Bahan.
Bernadette, okay. How are you related to the birthday celebrant?
Fred.
Fred, okay. And last but definitely not the least, what's your name? Janet Wood. Okay, yung bagong kasal. Alright. Where's your husband? Oh, wala na. Alright, so, my man, prepare, I think you need some tissues for this one. Because this would be a little bit heartwarming. Messages from your friends from Australia. Let's start off
Hey, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very pleased to be here with you tonight to celebrate my cousin's birthday. We just came over from all over from Australia to be here with you and to celebrate with you for Mitt's special day. Happy birthday, darling. And just on behalf of our friends who's waiting for us in Bendigo, Australia, in Castlemaine here in Australia, I would like to say a very, very happy birthday to our beloved Mitt and our friend, our benefactors, the one that support us in everything. And also, it's an awesome lady. It's against all odds. She's always surfaced and always like some sort of trundle. So what I really admire about her is her tenacity, her kindness, and she got heart of gold. She does actually do everything for all the people that's in need, and also very loving, not just only for us, but also for each member of her family. And I'm very, very proud to be here in front of you to be delivering these messages. We do have lots of messages from our friends, isn't it? And we always stick through thin and thin. That is, even although she's also my relatives, we're best of friends. And on behalf of Bernadette, I would like to talk.
Happy birthday, Mitt. Thanks for everything, and thanks for having us here. Wish you all the best of everything. Thank you.
And also the band. I would like to the band around here. I would like personally to meet each and every one of you. Yeah, so on behalf of everyone, once again, good night. And you people around here will be enjoying this tonight's special party for my beautiful cousin here. And thank you very much. And I love you, buddy. Thank you.
3 best friends of yours, cousins, relatives that really gave their message. And if you're gonna read between the lines, you're gonna see how beautiful Mamet's heart is. So, kind heart and everything. So, thank you so much for you, the Tres Marias, for Australia. Thank you so much for that wonderful message. All right, moving on to the next point. At this point in time, may we call all SMI members to please come up here on stage. All SMI members, so please come here on stage and join with us. Come on guys. Come on. Give some little love and birthday kisses. El Presidente. All right. A round of applause. Stay there. All right, so if in case you don't know who is Mamet, kinsa si Mamet sa kinabuhi sa mga subuan ng musikero, who is she in our life? I consider her as if SMI family is a whole body, if tibuok ni Lawas, she would be one of the spinal column. If you know what a spinal column's purpose is, di mo siya makita yung purpose visually, hindi mo siya makita na exist dahil na siya nga part sa atong body, but we know that that single part of the body, without it, the whole body can stand. So she is one of the spinal column of our organization. Even though physically na siya sa laing nasod, we know by heart, if SMI naganisgotan, na aging Met nga pangalan nga mukuyog na niya. Thank you so much, Manet. In behalf of the whole SMI family, we would like to greet Happy birthday!
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. Happy birthday! Oh, this is your birthday song.
Miss, excuse me. Can you please come here? Alright, here. Ipakita ang beauty. What's your name? Lower down the music a little bit. Music a little bit. Lower down the music a little bit. There we go. That's better. What's your name again?
Lara.
How are you related to the birthday celebrant? Auntie ni mo siya. So, just a brief description. Unsay atong pagkaila ni Mamet, unsay atong mga maayong experience with Mamet. So that people would know how good her heart is. Okay? Just a little bit. Ayaw kayo sa kalibro lang, usa lang ka page. Alright? Okay, kita kas mga tao, gutom na kina sila. So, kung sa kalibro ay mga isulti, malabayan ka kutsara. Alright? Here we go! Sa usa kaga-birthday, itago lang ko sa pangalan na Clara o kaniya akong experience sa akong tiyak o kaniya akong sugilan.
She's very kind. Support siya na mo sukad sa una pa buhay pa kong mama din.
Message.
Thank you for everything. Thank you for supporting me since bata pa ko I am very thankful na ikaw ang friend. I love you so much.
I saw an old friend of ours today. She asked about you. I didn't quite know what to say. Heard you've been making the rounds round here, while I've been trying to make tears disappear. Now I'm almost over you. I've almost choked these blues. So when you come back around, after painting the town, you'll see I'm almost over you. You're such a sly one with your cold, cold heart. Maybe leaving came easy, but it tore me apart. Time heals all wounds, they say, and I should know, 'cause it seems like forever, but I'm letting you go. Now I'm almost over you. I've almost shook these blues. So when you come back around, after painting the town, you'll see I'm almost over you. I can't forgive you and sooner forget all my shattered dreams. Although you left me with nothing to show, all my misery. Now I'm almost.
A round of applause for Clara. Dakilang kamay. Alright. So si Mamet ang support ni mo andun karon. Alright, dahil mo pandiri na andang mo support ni mo. Sunod po ko. Tsaganahan mo mag-nursing ka. Mamet, okay na di mo si Atan ang mo support. Todo na din siya ha. Kasi to the highest level, we're gonna happy birthday. Let's all light the candles. And of course, with the help of the band, 1 minute, one moment. Un momento, por favor. Alright, here we go. With the help of the band, let's sing a birthday song for the birthday celebrant. Yeah, everybody! Put your hands up.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Come on, everybody!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Alright, Mehmet, you may approach your cake. A lot of cakes means there's a lot of people who loves you. And of course, close your eyes and make your wish. Close your eyes, Mehmet, para picture ba ng piyong ka? Alright. And blow your candle on the count of 3. 3, 2, once again. Come on, put your hands together. Hey!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
In behalf of your family, your relatives, your friends, and of course from us, the SMI family, we would like to greet you a happiest birthday to you.
birthday to you.